These are the iClarified instructions on how to reduce loud sounds on your iPhone. This feature works when listening to headphone audio. Let's begin. Tap to select Settings from your springboard, then choose Sound and Haptics from the Settings menu. Tap Reduce Loud Sounds, then toggle the Reduce Loud Sound switch to the On position. Drag the slider to set your preferred maximum decibel level. Please see the text version of this tutorial for more details, and remember to follow or subscribe to iClarified for more Apple News videos and tutorials.